Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to show you how to replace the top brake light on your Honda Odyssey. This is a 2004 Honda Odyssey. This will also apply to 99 to 2004 models of the Honda Odyssey. The top brake light here, located right here on my model, is burned out, and I'm going to show you how you can easily replace the light bulb in that right after this. Okay, here we are up at the third brake light, the top light, but there's a screw here that we're going to undo, and then that should allow us to get this out, to get access to the bulb in here to replace it. And we're going to be replacing it with a 921 Silver Star from Sylvania. I'll have the link in the description for this so that you can get it on Amazon. This is very easy to do, and you should be able to do this very quickly, as you can see. So let's get started on this. Okay, just simply pull it out. There's a bit of a latch that needs to slide in there. Now, once we get this out, you'll see there's access right here. Make sure not to lose the screw. I guess it's sitting in the windshield wiper. That's good. Okay, just twist this, and there we go. There's the bulb. Should just pull right out. Okay, we have our new bulb here. We'll just press that in like so. And we'll put it back into the housing. Put it in till it clicks. And just set that back up in there. Make sure it's secure. And that's it. Let's test it out and see if it works. All right, looks like the brake light works perfectly. We changed this out, only takes a couple of minutes. Again, I'll have the link in the description for the bulb so you can order it. I appreciate you watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. And hit that notification bell so that you can get content as it goes up. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.